Ever dreamed of launching your own cryptocurrency and joining the decentralized revolution? Today, we're diving deep into the world of ERC-20 tokens and showing you exactly how to create your own on the Ethereum blockchain in just a few simple steps. First, you will need to install Metamask on your browser, if you haven't already. Next, head over to Remix, an online IDE, and create a new file for your smart contract. Name it something like MyTokenSol. Now, copy and paste the ERC-20 token smart contract code into your file. This code defines the rules of your token, including its name, symbol, and total supply. You can find the code in the description. Customize your token. Change the contract name to your desired token name, like AwesomeCoin. Update the symbol to something like AWSM. Also, specify the total supply of tokens you want to create and keep in mind that the total supply must be divisible by the number you set as decimals. Compile your smart contract using the Solidity compiler in Remix. Make sure to select the correct Solidity version that's compatible with your contract. Deploy your smart contract to the Ethereum network. Choose injected provider Metamask from the environment dropdown. Confirm the deployment transaction in Metamask and pay the gas fees. Once deployed, interact with your smart contract to verify the token creation. Use functions like total supply to check the total supply and balance of to see your initial token balance. Finally, verify your contract on Etherscan. This will allow other users to view the code and details of your token. Share your token contract address with the world. Congratulations! You've successfully created your own ERC-20 token. Happy tokenizing!